Numbers chapter 6. And Yah spoke to Moshe, saying, Speak to the children of Israel, and say to them, When a man or woman does separate, by making a vow of a Nazarite to be separate to Yah, he separates himself from wine and strong drink. He drinks neither vinegar of wine nor vinegar of strong drink, neither does he drink any grape juice or eat grapes or raisins. All the days of his separation he does not eat whatever is made of the grapevine, from seed to skin. All the days of the vow of his separation a razor does not come upon his head, until the days are completed for which he does separate himself to Yah. He is set apart. He shall let the locks of the hair of his head grow long. All the days of his separation to Yah he does not go near a dead body. He does not make himself unclean for his father or for his mother or for his brother or his sister when they die, because his separation to Yah is on his head. All the days of his separation he is set apart to Yah. And when anyone dies beside him in an instant, suddenly he has defiled the head of his separation. Then he shall shave his head on the day of his cleansing. On the 7th day he shaves it. And on the 8th day he brings 2 turtle doves and 2 young pigeons to the priest, to the door of the tent of appointment. And the priest shall prepare one as a sin offering and the other as an ascendant offering, and shall make atonement for him, because he sinned by reason of the dead body. And he shall set apart his head on that day, and shall separate to Yah the days of his separation, and shall bring a male lamb a year old as a guilt offering. But the former days are not counted, because his separation was defiled. And this is the Torah of the Nazarite. When the days of his separation are completed, he is brought to the door of the tent of appointment. And he shall bring his offering to Yah, 1 male lamb a year old, a perfect one, as an ascendant offering, and 1 ewe lamb a year old, a perfect one, as a sin offering, and 1 ram, a perfect one, as a peace offering, and a basket of unleavened bread, cakes of fine flour mixed with oil, and unleavened thin cakes anointed with oil, and their grain offering with their drink offerings. And the priest shall bring them before Yah, and prepare his sin offering and his ascendant offering. And he shall prepare the ram as a slaughtering of peace offerings to Yah, together with the basket of unleavened bread. And the priest shall prepare his grain offering and his drink offering. And the Nazarite shall shave the head of his separation at the door of the tent of appointment, and shall take the hair from the head of his separation, and shall put it on the fire, which is under the slaughtering of the peace offerings. And the priest shall take the boiled shoulder of the ram, and 1 unleavened cake from the basket, and 1 unleavened thin cake, and put them upon the hands of the Nazarite, after he hath shaved his hair of separation. Then the priest shall wave them a wave offering before Yah. It is set apart for the priest, besides the breast of the wave offering, and besides the thigh of contribution. And afterwards the Nazarite shall drink wine. This is the Torah of the Nazarite, who vows to Yah the offering of his separation, and besides that, whatever else his hand is able to provide, according to the vow which he takes, so he shall do according to the Torah of his separation. And Yah spoke to Moshe, saying, Speak to Aharon and his sons, saying, This is how you bless the children of Israel. Say to them, Yah bless you and guard you. Yah make his face shine upon you and show favor to you. Yah lift up his face upon you and give you peace. Thus they shall put my name on the children of Israel, and I myself shall bless them.